Burping the baby. Burping is a common part of the baby's routine. They need your help to get rid of trapped gas in their stomach. Their muscles are not developed enough to force air out themselves. Babies typically need to burp until about 7-9 months old. It's typically for the baby to spit up, especially after the feeding. Each burping session will last a few minutes. There are actually a few different ways to burp baby. Chest position, hold baby against your chest with their chin on your shoulder. Support your baby with one hand and pat their with the other. Lap position. Lay baby on your lap with their head higher than their chest. Gently pat baby's back on rub in a circular motion. Sitting up. Hold baby sitting up in your lap, supporting their head and chest. Use your other hand to gently pat baby's back. It's never too early to get your babies on the pathway.